Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious sweet and sour chicken. I'll start by seasoning my chicken. In this bowl I've got 410 grams of diced chicken, and I'll season the chicken with salt, pepper and a teaspoon of cajun spice. I'll mix that all together and set to one side for a moment. Here I've got some plain flour and I'm going to season this again with some cajun spice. A generous helping of salt. A big pinch of ground white pepper. In goes a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And a dash of ground turmeric. And I give my seasoned flour a really good mix. And here I've got a bowl of corn flour. Into a bowl I crack and whisk 2 eggs. That's all done. Now I'm ready to coat my chicken pieces. So I'll take a piece of chicken and coat all of it with corn flour, then dip the chicken into the egg and press into the seasoned flour. I'll shake off the excess flour, rest on a tray and repeat this until all the chicken is done. Great, now all the chicken is done, we can set about making our sweet and sour sauce. As a thickener for the sauce, I'll be mixing 6 tablespoons of corn flour with a little bit of cold water. I'll set that to one side for a minute, and to a pot I'll add 300 millilitres of cold water. To the water I'll add 150 ml of vinegar. I'm just using an ordinary cider vinegar. Now I'll go in with 5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now I'm going to be adding 9 tablespoons of sugar. You can give this a taste and see what balance of sweetness to sour works best for you. Then in goes the corn flour mixture. Then I add 1 tin of pineapple chunks, including the juice. Then I like to add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. I'll just keep the sauce moving under a medium to high heat. The tomato sauce has clumped up and floated to the top, as you can see, and the colour looks off, but just keep stirring and the colour will come back as the corn flour cooks out. It doesn't take long for the sauce to thicken and the colour to return. The sauce has thickened now and the corn flour is all cooked out. It's time to take it off the heat. So now I'll cook my chicken under a medium heat. I'll fry all the pieces until they're lovely and golden brown and cooked all the way through. Once golden brown and cooked all the way through, I load them onto a plate. I make sure to cook the thicker pieces a little longer. Now that the chicken's all cooked, to the same pan I'll add a little more oil if I need to, but I'll fry 1 roughly chopped onion and 2 sweet peppers. To the peppers and onions I'll add 1 big heap of freshly grated ginger and garlic. When they've all cooked down a little, I'll add some dark soy sauce. Now I'll pour and stir in that sweet and sour sauce. And in goes the chicken. Just stir the chicken through and allow to warm through before serving. And there it is, deliciously tangy sweet and sour chicken. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.